Hello children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. We have a recapitulation of topic on page number 12, 13 and 14. So this is all about the different seasons, okay, different seasons, different monsoon seasons and how the wind flows, how the wind gets the rain into India and which month the rain gets into India. This is all about the topics, that's all about the revision schedule we have right now. So let's see whether you're able to do it or not. So what is here? We have some tick the correct answer. Let me read for you and we'll just parallelly go for that, the answer and the explanation and everything. So what is the first? Let me read for you children. The southwest monsoon winds enter India by beginning of dash every year. The southwest monsoon winds enter India by the beginning of dash every year. We have two monsoon seasons in India. One is southwest monsoon season, next is northeast. These two monsoon seasons are very important for the monsoons in India. When we talk about southwest monsoon, almost 80% of rain comes from this monsoon. So you can see 80% of India experience the monsoon during this southwest monsoon. Another 20% experience in the northeast monsoon. So here, what is the question they are asking? In which month the southwest monsoon enters in Indian subcontinent? So here, in the month of April, May, that is the summer. Then after summer, the monsoon period starts in the month of June in India. Okay, so the evaporation takes place and immediately after that, the rainy season, the monsoon season starts in India. So monsoon season starts getting the rainfall in the month of June. So here the wind blows from water bodies to the land. Okay, the wind blows from water to the land and gets 80% of rain in India. So that is nothing but southwest monsoon, and this experience in June month in India. So answer is June. Is it clear? Let's go for the next one. The northeast monsoon winds bring rain during dash and dash. As I said, we have two monsoon seasons. One is southwest monsoon and northeast monsoon. So southwest monsoon and the difference of northeast monsoon. In southwest monsoon, the wind travels from water to land. Coming to northeast monsoon, the wind travels from land to water. So by the time here, if you can see, in the southwest monsoon, it starts in the month of June. It travels from the June, July, August, September and take a U-turn, that is called retreating monsoon. Okay, retreating monsoon and northeast monsoon both are same actually, both are same. So here, what is the question they are asking? In which month the northeast monsoon experience in India? By the time when the wind takes a U-turn here, it is the month of December and January. In the month of December and January, the rain experience, the 20 other percent of Indian subcontinent experience rain in the month of December and January. The answer goes for A. Is it clear, children? So what the difference here? In southwest monsoon, the wind travels from water to land, whereas in northeast monsoon, the wind travels from land to water. This is the only difference. Actually, there are so many factors actually, but you are being in a very small class, you are learning only one factor, the relation between water and land. That's it. Okay. Now let's go for the third one. During summer, the plains experience a hot and humid climate. Which plains experience hot and humid climate? We have two plains, northern plains and coastal plains, right? So during summer, they are asking, so understand the question. During summer, the dash plains experience hot and humid climate. So which plains? It's a coastal plains. Okay, where are coastal plains? Near to the seashore. Okay, so the coastal plains experience the hot and humid climate during summer. So do we have? Yeah, we have coastal plains. The answer is B here, not the northern plains. Northern plains don't experience that much of extreme climate actually. Maybe because there's altitude is very high. What is altitude? Height from the above sea level. It's far away from the water bodies, ocean or sea. So during summer, the coastal plains experience hot and humid climate. Is it clear, children? Fine. Let's go for the next slide. Yeah, just look here. Assam, Garo and Khasi Hills. Assam, Garo and Khasi Hills region experience rain by the first week of by the first week of. If you can see India, okay, the southwest monsoon, it comes like this. They take a U-turn here, they flow, okay, and leaving these coastal plains. You don't have any monsoon in the coastal plains. They directly travels to here, Assam. So here, as I said, southwest monsoon experience the rain in the month of June. Okay, so when the wind travels to the east side, in Assam, Garo Hills and Khasi is also experienced in the month of June only. In the month of June, they experience heavy rainfall there. So here, June and December, the answer is June. June is the answer. Is it clear, children? Next, go for the next one. The month of dash record the lowest temperature during winter in India. The month of dash record the lowest temperature during winter in India. You know, India, due to the tropical climate, due to the weather condition, we people celebrate our festivals. Okay, when the monsoon comes, we celebrate one festival. When the winter comes, we celebrate one festival. So during the winter, in the month of January, almost all part of India, we celebrate some festival. If you take the southern part, there will be a Sankranti or Pongal. Okay, Sankranti or Pongal celebrated in the January month. Okay, so here the month of dash records the lowest temperature during the winter season. So you can understand. So we'll put some fire, there will be a bonfire and people will surrounding near the fire boxes and we'll just warm ourselves. So in the month of January in India, the coolest month is observed. So the answer go for January. The answer is B. B is the month where we experience the coolest temperature in India. So just go back and just look back to all this. So here the southwest monsoon winds enter into India in the month of June. And here next one, the northeast monsoon brings rain in the month of December and January. Coming to the third one, during summer the dash plains, the coastal plains experience hot and humid climate. Coming to the next one, Assam, Garo and Khasi Hills also experience rain in the month of June. Coming to the last one, the month of dash, the month of January records the lowest temperature during winter. Okay, so I hope this assignment make you so perfect with the content. That comes when you keep on reading the textbook again and again. So make a habit of reading your textbook, children. Thank you. Thanks a lot.